So this question is almost same as the previous question. So in this question, what they have said that uh, like we need to return true only if we can partition the array into two subsets such that the sum of the elements in both the subset are equal. Okay, so we are pretty sure that if the sum of elements of the uh, the array nums is odd, so that we cannot partition it into two subsets. Okay, so for that let me just quickly calculate the sum nums dot size, right. uh, int sum equal to 0, so for int I equal to 0 I must be less than n I plus plus. Okay, so sum plus equal to nums of I, correct, fine. So if sum percent 2 return false, correct. So now what we can do, we can apply the similar method that we have used in the previous question. So what we need to find here, we need to find uh, the half one instead of the in the last question what we have done, we have given some target. So now the value of uh, sorry target will be sum by 2, right. So we need to find if the value of target is present in by combining some of the elements of this num. So what we can do, we can apply the similar logic. So we will first of all we will create some dp array. So vector int. Okay, so like dp. So the number of rows will be n plus 1, as we have discussed in the previous lecture. After that, the sorry this will be boolean, right, vector of bool, correct. So the value will be target plus 1 and it will be 0, sorry false. Okay, also dp of 0 and 0 equal to true, correct. So for int I equal to 0 I must be less than your, no, I must be less than or equal to n, and after that I plus plus, correct. It is from the previous one, right. For int I equal to 0, sorry, target equal to 0, target is less than. I will also attach the previous video for the reference. I'm just quickly coding it up. Okay, so target and your target plus plus, right. I'm checking if dp of I minus 1 and target is true, then what we need to do, dp of I and target must be true. Okay, now if the value of target plus nums of I minus 1, okay, is less than equal to target, then dp of I and target plus nums of I minus 1, okay, then it will also be true. Fine. So finally what we need to check here, if the value of dp of n, okay, in the last one, in the last column, and target, okay, if true then we need to return true, else otherwise we need to return false, correct. So let me just quickly check it. Okay, it is passing all the test cases. So we need to, okay, fine. So the average time complexity of this problem, let me just check it. Okay, okay, of n into the target, right, is it correct? So we are looping n into target. Okay, and otherwise I'm not doing anything. Correct. And is it acceptable? Is it acceptable? Like, how can we verify it? Like, the value of n will go from 1 to 200, right? So if time complexity is n into target, right? So n go from 200, and the maximum value of target will be, so let's see here, the nums of I. In the worst case, I am assuming that all the values in the nums are 100. Okay, so 100 into 200. In the worst case, the possibility of sum will be 200, means 2 raised to power 4, 2 into 10 raised to power 4. Okay, 2 into 10 raised to power 4. Okay, so 4 into 10 raised to power 6, and we can run the loop of 10 raised to power 6 without the value of TLE. Okay, so this is our this question